In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the HTML of an email you sent from HubSpot. This is a handy skill to have, especially when you want to review or share the underlying code of your marketing emails for troubleshooting or analysis purposes. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First things first, you'll want to log into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard. Now, look towards the left-hand side of your screen where you'll find a sidebar with various options. Here, scroll down until you see the option labeled More. Go ahead and click on that to expand further options. With the expanded menu now visible, you'll want to find and click on Marketing. This area is where all your marketing tools and resources are centralized. Once you're in the Marketing section, you'll see an option called Marketing Emails. Click on that and it will bring you to a page where all your sent, drafted, and scheduled marketing emails are listed. Next, you'll need to select the specific email whose HTML you wish to access. Browse through the list of emails and click on the title of the one you're interested in. This action will open up additional options related to that email. Now, with the email open, look towards the upper right corner of the screen. You should see a button labeled Preview and Test. Clicking on this button will provide you with several options to test and preview your email. Among these options, you'll find one that says Copy Shareable Link. This is the key step in accessing the HTML content. Click on Copy Shareable Link, and the link will be copied to your clipboard. The link you've just copied can be pasted into a new browser tab and accessed directly. It will display a preview of your email, and from there, you can view the HTML by right-clicking on the page and selecting View Page Source or Inspect, depending on your browser. This will allow you to see the HTML code that structures your email. And there you have it. You now know how to access the HTML of an email you've sent from HubSpot. This can be particularly useful for developers or marketers who need to troubleshoot or optimize the email's design and functionality. Remember, handling HTML requires some know-how, so proceed with caution if you're not familiar with coding. Keep practicing, and soon this process will become second nature. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing!